Ang ngayon.
Kasi sinabi ko magbigay ka next time ng 200.
First five on Delta. Pasarel, first second Pasarel. No changes, yes. First five on BBC. This is our Open League category. It's BBC versus Delta.
Wala pa lang yun, nagsisimula na.
I like this. I like this.
It's Sheriff versus Laureto.
69 Agusila.
It's Delta ball violation on Laureto. This is our Open League category. It's Delta versus BBC. Islam. Tower power. Smooth drive, skate, kick out pass, steal now. It's now Armos. Time to shoot! Foul! Foul on Laberluy. It's first on the Laberluy. It's technical foul on Laberluy. Free throw shot. Coming from Delta.
Warning na tayo, rep. Warning tayo.
It's warning technical foul on number 8 on Louis.
Technical sir, walang warning.
Inbounding Busqueda. Now it's a tower power. It's jump ball in and out. Rebound now on Delta. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Busqueda. In and out. Now it's BBC time. Laberluy. 1-on drive. Nice pass to Laureto. The Batman Laureto. 2-0. It's BBC. Sheriff. Now Busqueda. Hey. Tower power now. Short rebound foul. It's technical foul on BBC for shooting. Technical free throw to the tower power in this. Now 1-2. BBC up by 1. Milislao, Rabbit. Now Rabbit, nice pass outside. It's still again on BBC. Milislao. It's still by Louis. Laberluy to the Batman Laureto. 4-1. Sa 3-point lead ng BBC.
69 Agusila.
Rebound again at BBC. Louis. Now Louis kick out pass. It's Jaban. 6-1. Now Busqueda. Bang, bang, bang. On Busqueda. 6-4. Now back to 2-point lead on BBC. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Laberluy. Guarded by Raven. Navarro. 10 seconds to shoot. In and out. Rebound on Sheriff. Oh, he's still on Laberloy. Laberloy now. 1-1. 6 out. Kick out pass. Same spot by John. Bang! No one can stop me. John. All alone. Big. Foul. Basket count and 1. On the tower power Mendez. Foul on number 3. It's 13 foul on in BBC. It's 1-1, now 7-8. 1 point lead by Delta. Louis. John. Hesitation. Back to Louis. 10 seconds to shoot. Batman. Navarro. Wow, short. Now it's all alone. It's Muscala. Muscala time. Now 9-8. 1 point lead now Delta. Louis. Drive, skate. Ice bomb. Paolo Agoncilla is first on Delta. Paolo on the first personal foul against Agoncilla. Agustila.
This guy, I thought he was going to carry us.
Nine-8 our score. 9-8. Delta up by 1. It's 0-2. Oh, it's down. Ah, it's turnover again on BBC. Back to back turnover on BBC. Sheriff. Looking for Reven. Reven drives, side step, nice defense on. Now it's Louis. Right. 1-1. Now we have Lakota now. Go back. Muscala, fake, steal by the Batman. Now it's Doug. Intercepted by Delta. Now Sheriff. Drive, goes to goal. Oh, basket caught and 1 on Torrey. Foul on Jug. First on Jug. Warning for penalty on BBC. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 11 against 10. Delta up by 1. Rebound by Jug. Kapat. Now Navarro. Gurak. Back to Gurak. Navarro. Laberloy. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow! Mother! Muscala. Rebound on the Batman. Loreto. Now Laberloy. Drive. Laberloy goes to nice ball. Out on number 9. On with Islao. Raven is first. On with Islao. Second on Delta. 2 free throw shot for Laberloy. It's war of 1 coming from Laberloy. Now 13 against 11. BBC up by 2. Agoncilla. Oh, it's offensive foul on Agoncilla. Now 35 on Delta. First. Oh, number 69. Second personal foul on number 69. Agoncilla. Third on Delta. Louis. Gurak. Now Louis, 10 seconds shoot. Navarro. It's the Batman now. Batman Loreto. Tower power. Try the tower power, Mendez. Let me do it. Try second time round. I'm going to send it up, hey. Oh, it's a big man. I'm going to tell 13 against 15. 2 minutes and 50. Jug, Louis, hey. Back to Jug. Try to by Sheriff. Jug, where are you? Short. It's the Batman again. The Batman Loreto. 2 minutes and 40. 13 to 17. The tower power big. The tower power too strong. Rebound again. It's the tower power again. It's Toolman. Agoncella. Black. Rebound on Louis. Louis foul. Foul on number 24 on Sheriff. Now warning for penalty on Delta. First personal foul against Sheriff. 2 minutes. Jump. 10 seconds to shoot. Right place at the right time. Coming from the Batman Loreto. 19 against 13. Foul. Foul on Gurak. Now, BBC on penalty. Two free throw shot for Raven. And Islao, short. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 19 against 13. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Raven. It's 19 against 14. It's a 5-point lead on BBC. Navarro. Jump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, GAG, it's Jump. Foul number 14. Oh, Jag, it's penalty, it's penalty.
Jag second.
Second personal foul against Jag. BBC now, over the limit penalty.
Hindi siguro mapapatay nila mo kasi Delta naglalaro. Na.
15 against 22. BBC up by 7. Now Navarro. Gurak. Hey, drive. Oh, good again. Yeah. He's foul, but terrible Gurak. Foul number 24 on Sheriff. Second personal foul against Sheriff. Now Delta on penalty. It's 57 seconds. 23 to 20. It's an 8-point lead on BBC. 57 seconds. 20. Short. Oh, it's Navarro. 40 seconds. Sheriff. Drive. Foul. Foul number 10 on Navarro. It's now BBC on penalty. $37 seconds. 37. Top. Rebound on the Batman. Loreto. Laberloy now, guarded by Musquet. Oh! Laberloy escape! Black is foul. A move coming from Robert Louis.
Agosila.
Foul on Raven. Second personal foul against Raven. 23 seconds. 23, 27 to 15. Now it's a 12-point lead on BBC. It's 2-2 from the Robert Louis. 28-15. 15 seconds.
3 points.
10. 5.
Ya Allah.
Foul on the Batman Loreto. 2 free throw shots coming from Gusila. In and out.
Man, 15 Muhammad.
It's 1 out of 2 coming from Gusila. 16 to 28. Second quarter running up. Second quarter.
Pasok, sir. 5, sir. 5.
It's Delta ball. Delta.
Sir, second quarter tayo.
Yellow tayo. Half jump ball. BBC ball. BBC. Yellow ball. Yellow. It's BBC ball. BBC. Now Alonso. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Manalo! It's routing violation on shot. First turnover play by Delta.
Hey, play defense, play defense.
Now Alonso, too strong. Rebound on Nochilio. Now Calara. Move, Calara, your step. Bang! No one can stop it. Calara. Alonso. Tower now. Looking for kick pass to Manalo.
First up to the pass, please.
Hey, no, three.
Too strong. It's Nochilio.
How many shoot with three? We shoot 8.
Now Nochilio now. Coast to coast. Drive. Looking for Chalak. Short. Manalo, looking for Alonso. 10 seconds to shoot.
Rebound, go, go, go.
Chalak. 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Manalo. Nice pass. Oh, it's strong. Now pull a jumper. Now 34 to 18. 7 minutes remaining time. Second quarter. Nochilio. Pass to Chalak. Rebound on BBC. Now Manalo. Back to Manalo. Alioso, the trigger man. Bang, bang, bang! Good! Alioso, 37-18. 19 point lead ng BBC. Calara. Alioso. Whoa, what a move! 39-18, now 21 point lead on BBC. Oh, and two, long two. 20 against 39. Rebound on Calara.
Go, Dong. Attack, Dong.
It's foul. Foul on number 24 on Manalo. It's first on Manalo. First team foul against BBC. Now Calara. Card number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on Manalo. 1-1 against Calara.
Out.
Foul. Foul on number 17 on Calara. Person Delta. First personal foul on Calara. It's 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Razon. It's Razon. 41-20. It's a 21-point lead against BBC. Calara. Card 2. Calara now. It's pass to Chalak. Chalak. Pagkikulo Calara. Calvo jumper. Short up. Rebound again Nungkilio. Nungkilio now. Nungkilio for 3. It's Chalak. Too strong. Now Manalo all the way. Manalo left-handed grab. Yes on Manalo. Mali. Time out. On Delta is 42-20. 23-point lead against BBC.
Bakit tumawa ka? Pag after nyo, tawa ka ganyan.
Calara drives cave. Euro step ball. Foul. Foul on number 9 on BBC. Second team foul on BBC. It's 4 minutes and 28 seconds. 2 free throw shot coming from Calara. So 0 out of 1 coming from number 17 on Calara. 4 minutes and 20. 43 against 20. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Calara. 43-21. 22-point lead on BBC. Mamura. No Rura. Mura again. Now it's the trigger man. Left-handed rush. Short top. Rebound on Delta. It's Salak. Whoa! 23-43. Too strong. Chalak again. Now Chalak. Good. Chalak. It's targeting violation. It's targeting violation. On Chalak.
Hindi na pagbigyan.
3 minutes and 30.
Defense.
Bang! 45 against 243. 3 minutes and 15. Oh, one more. It's Ale. Wow! Ale time. Steal by Calara. Steal and move again, Calara. It's now Chalak. Chalak. Oh, too strong. Calara, rebound. Calara top. Steal by Ale. 1 minute and 39 seconds. 25-45. It's a 20-point lead on BBC. Steal by Calara. Chalak. It's 4 on 2. Nungkilio. It's foul. Foul on Arroyoso. Now 13 foul on BBC. 1 minute and 26 seconds. First na Yoso.
Tuwag-tuwa eh.
1 minute 26. 20-point lead BBC. It's 45 against 25. 0-2 Bang Noquillo. One minute and 20. Air ball. Now it's 47-25. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Carlara. Nice move! Side step. Nice defense in Chalak. Block. 1 minute. It's Manalo. 49 against the 425. 40 seconds.
Flex na kayo dyan. Flex.
Carlara. Short. 30. Manalo. Alioso. Drive. Short. 25 seconds. 20. 51-25. 15 seconds. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Chalak! And now for second quarter, score 51-20. All by BBC. Third quarter ready, third quarter. Third quarter.
Third quarter tayo, sir. Third quarter. Sino hindi kapasok? Sino pa nakapasok? Pwede na mag-sub, sir. 5 minutes sub tayo, ha?
Sheriff. Carlara. Mosqueda. Short top rebound on the Batman Loreto. Lagura.
Yan! Nakakain na!
Oh! Right place at the right time on the Batman Loreto. Mosqueda. Sheriff. Too strong. Rebound top. Agosila. Hey! 10 seconds to shoot. Carlara. Corner pocket jump. Too strong. Rebound again on BBC. Jump to Loreto. Lagura. Bang! Nothing but net. Coming from Jog. 7 minutes and 46 seconds. It's a 38-point lead on BBC. Mosqueda. Now Carlara. Bang, bang, bang! On Carlara. 55-31. Lagura.
Ay, kakain na!
Bang! Long two. Coming from Lacuan. 57-31. Sheriff. Back to Lagosila. 1-1. Nice Sheriff. Elbow jumper. Bang! On Sheriff. 7 minutes.
Mantuman.
Lagura. 1-1 by Mosqueda. Rason. 10 seconds to shoot. Jog. 5,
Back to back.
Oh, it's the Batman now. Looking second stop, second time around. Airball, rebound. It's yellow ball, yellow ball.
Parang nakaplano, boss. Ikaw lang pinapasa ni Pisti, ah.
Steal. Now Sheriff. It's foul. Foul on Jag. It's first team foul on BBC. Second personal foul on Jag. Inbounding Calara to Sheriff. Short. 6 minutes. Lagura. 1-1 now. It's robbery violation. It's robbery violation on Jag. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Warning for delay again. Number 14 on Jag. The Tower Power Mendez. 35-57. Lagura. Still again on the Power is foul. Foul. Timeout on BBC's second team foul on BBC. Foul on number 61. Ulit yan. 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Back to the buggy. .22 lead on BBC, 57 against 35. Agosia. Sheriff. Mosqueda all along, long time. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Mosqueda. All along by Jag. Jag side step. Nice defense on Agosia. Out the Tower Power. Tower Power now. Tap. Still Marathon. Still again. Still by Steve. It's Calara. Calara now. It's side step move. Euro step. Side step move. Rebound. On Calara. Calara again. Calara now. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Calara side step. Calara now. Corner pass, side pass. It's short. Rebound. Again.
Sagot na si Ray.
4 minutes and 29 seconds. 38-57. Sabrap. Substitution.
Diyan pwede sir. Diyan pwede to. Di nga pwede yan. Di nga pwede palitan yan. Di yan pwede palitan. Palitan nyo ng kalaro na.
Four minutes and 29 seconds. Now Louis. 10 seconds to shoot.
Prep.
5. Batman. Rason. Oh, Rason. Now the Tower Power. Bang! No one can gun it. Tower Power. Usmanat. Foul number 21 on Rason. It's 13 foul on BBC. 31. First personal foul number 21 Rason. In and out. Sheriff. Drive. Nice defense on Rason. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Sabrep. Laureto, Rason out. 8 seconds. Short. Rebound by Sheriff. 17-point lead now on BBC. Louis, guarded by Riven. Rebound on Riven. Now Mosqueda, 3-2. Mosqueda now, pump. Mosqueda, bam. Defense by Glenman. Rebound on Shell up top. It's down. Riven, top. 3-second violation on Tower Power. On Tower, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Substitution drops out. Loreto out. It's Nabaroin. Now Louis, 1-1 by Sheriff. Escape by Louis. Bang! What a move by Louis. Foul on Mosqueda. It's first on Mosqueda. First team foul Delta. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 61 against 42. Short, top. Now Sheriff. Whoa, Shurabe, 44-61. 2 minutes and 30.
44.
10 seconds to shoot. Five. Steal. Callara now. Yellow Callara. What a move by Callara. 46-61. 2 minutes. 1-1 now. It's Laberloy by Reven. Lagura. 10 seconds to shoot. Navarro. Back to Lagura. In and out. It's now Reven. Reven to whoa! 48-61. Slowly but surely now on Delta. Time out on Delta. What a play coming from Delta. It's 61-48.
Back to
the ball game. Back to the ball game. One minute 38 seconds. Our third quarter, our second game for our Open League category. It's now 1-1 on Riven. Laberloy is now game, looking for Navarro. Navarro, pass to Lagura. Lagura, nowhere to pass. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Now it's 3 seconds. 3. 3 seconds to shoot. Oh! 63 against 48. Callara pay. Callara again. You roost that bomb. Short rebound on the top. Blank by Loy. It's Loy. Nowhere to go. Loy. Hand time. Loy. In and out top. Now it's Callara. Callara 50 seconds. Callara now. Callara Navarro. Callara. Pow. Foul on Navarro. Warning for penalty on BBC. 43 seconds. 43. 43 seconds. 43 seconds. Louis. Yeah, it's foul. Unfortunate foul against Sheriff. 65-50. A sportsmanlike foul on Sheriff. Basket count. Foul on Sheriff. Our score now, 65 to 50. Third personal foul against Sheriff. $66 to 50, 16-point lead now, BBC. 30 seconds.
Wala time. Yun na naaway, sir.
30 seconds. Navarro. Nalagura. 10 seconds to shoot. High. Rebound on Clara. 10 seconds. Five. 2 seconds. Two.
Foul number.
Good three-point throw shot coming from Calara. $51-66. Now 52-66. It's 3 out of 3 from Calara. Now 66 to 53, a 13-point lead on BBC. Fourth quarter ready, Tala. Fourth quarter.
Pasok, court. Sir.
Last quarter. It's yellow ball. It's BBC ball. BBC. Now Louis. Guarded by Raven. Back to Raven. Nice defense on Sheriff. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Inbounding Manalo. Still now on the tower power na Mendez. It's 3 on 1. 4 on 1. The tower power Mendez. 66 to 55. Slowly but surely now. Delta coming. 66, 55. 11-point lead now. BBC. The Batman. Still again. It's now Mosqueda. Looking for Calara. It's 3 on 2. Calara looking for. Nice defense on Manalo. 9 minutes. Inbounding of Calara. Tay. Is it Tay? Elbow jumper. Bang! 57 to 66 now. 9-point lead on BBC. Louis. Now the Batman now. Batman low rattle. Pass. Looking for Manalo. Short. Rebound top. It's Razon. Yes, on Razon. 68. 57. Mosqueda. Looking for Raven. Calara again. Drive. Calara. Euro step up. Looking for the tower power. Mosqueda. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Rebound on the Batman. Laureto. Navarro. 1-1 by Sheriff. It's the Batman now. It's Manalo all alone. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On Manalo. Tower Power Mendez. Looking for Miskela. Now Tower Power now. Guarded by two. It's foul. Shot into Sudat. Foul on Lloyd. Second team personal foul on Lloyd. First on BBC. Stop rep. You play. Just play. Sheriff. Still it's foul. Foul on number 24 on Sheriff. First team foul on Delta. Fourth personal foul on Sheriff. Now the foul is foul. Foul on Laureto the Batman. Second team foul on BBC. Second personal foul on the Batman Laureto. Rebel, let me try. Short, top. It's now Rason. Still again by Rebel. Now the Tower Power now. The Tower Power! Mendez. Now Louis, where are you? Guarded by two. Looking for Alioso. Alioso now, guarded by Brilson. It's Manalo. All alone is Rason. 73-59, back to 14-point lead on Delta. Tower Power now, left to the basket cannon one on the Tower Power. Mendez. Foul on Alioso, it's 13 foul on BBC, first on Alioso, 5 minutes and 24 seconds, 73-61, 12-point lead now, BBC. Now 62-73, it's 11-point lead now, BBC, 5 minutes and 20. Rason, Batman. Still now on Rason, back to Alioso. Alioso now fake, Alioso drive, looking for low, in and out on Laureto. Now it's now alone, looking for drive, coast to coast drive, bang! Time out! On BBC, it's 73-64, 9-point lead now on BBC.
Dalawa pa time out nyo, dalawa pa. Sir, isa lang time out nyo.
5 minutes! 9-point lead against BBC. Sheriff now, half-court foul on Sheriff. Louis!
Lapit!
Now Laureto! Short! Alioso! In and out! Foul. Foul on Rason. Warning for penalty on BBC. Second personal foul against Rason. Nice play. Whoa! What a play! 73-66. Slowly but surely now by Delta.
Gitna, piste. Kabilaan yung shooter mo.
Manalo, pay! 10 seconds to shoot! 5! Top! Down alone is Muscala! Muscala! Bang! 68 to be at the green, now 5-point lead on BBC. Still again by Calara! Calara, pass back! Calara again! Bang! Calara, 17-23! 3 minutes and 30 seconds! 3-point lead BBC! Batman! Alyoso. Too strong. It's a ball. 14% sa track 14. Louis, Lover Louis, top, black! 9 seconds to shoot, 9 seconds! Rebound! No, Sheriff! It's River now. Now pass to the out! 3 minutes! Rason is fouled. Foul on Ribbon. It's second team foul on Delta. Third personal foul on Winslow. Ribbon, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. 3-point lead on BBC. 73 against 270. It's a 9-0 run coming from Delta. Alyoso. Bang! Time out! Oh, Delta, right place at the right time for Alyoso. Again, we'd like to thank our two referee for tonight. It's Referee Manuel and Referee James. Back to the ball game, ref. Back to the ball game. It's 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
No, I have.
Now Mosqueda. Calara. It is now. Open jump. Bang! 72 to 76. Now 4-point lead BBC. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh! Ah, it's a sportsman line foul. Oh, Laurato. Third personal foul on the Batman Laurato. Basket, saat muna tayo rep. Substitution. Our score, 72 to 76.
You can do this for Delta.
Aywa.
Strong. Rep na penalty rep, ha? Now, penalty tayo ba?
Ibigan ko yung ato.
73-76. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chooks to Go. Now it's Patano. Navarro. 10 to shoot. Alyoso. It's foul. Foul on number 24 on Sheriff. Now Sheriff 5 fouls. 5 fouls against Sheriff. Third team foul on Delta. Third team foul on Delta.
Sir, may timeout pa kayo.
Advance na pala, advance na.
Short. Down. Navarro. Airball. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 76 all. Galera, base. In and out. Navarro. Winslao. Warning for penalty on Delta. Warning for penalty.
Winslao Ford.
Fourth personal foul on Raven. Warning on Raven. Foul. Fourth foul on Winslao. It's 76 all. 1 minute 18 seconds. Nanalo. Now Navarro. Back to Manalo. Back to Manawaro. It's 3 on 2. Now it's back. Basket count on 1 on the tower power. Mendez. Foul on number 24. On Manalo, second personal foul on Manalo. Now BBC on penalty over 78 to 76. 2-point lead now on Delta.
Oh my goodness.
79-76. 2-point lead by Delta. 1 minute. 55 seconds. Batman, Manalo. Take the shoot. It's Raven. Raven. Stop. Escena. 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 69. Timeout. On Delta.
Delta, sabihin ko lang.
29 seconds, 29. Now Delta on penalty. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game.
Asa akong clear points sa...
Busy.
Now 77-81. 77-81. 29 seconds. Both teams now in penalty. Both teams now have 1 timeout left. Now 78-81. 20 seconds. Foul. Foul on Alioso. Penalty. 21 seconds. 21.
Wala man na.
82-70. 21 seconds.
We come back. We come back. Yes.
Only for today. Next time, no?
83-78. Time out. On BBC. 21 seconds. 21.
Wala na time out sila.
21 seconds.
Last 21 seconds. 14 shot clock, 14.
Put this on YouTube. Championship.
21 seconds, 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 15. Foul. 10 seconds, 10.
Penalty.
Both teams now, penalty, both teams. 83-81. 10 seconds.
Wala na time out ha.
He needs to score 1.
10 seconds. 83-81. Short. 10 seconds, 10.
Score 1.
Yalla, you can do this. Yalla.
Still by Raven.
hold it, hold it, hold it, hold. Hold, خلاص, man.
What a comeback win coming from Delta 86 against the 81.